Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. In this video, I'll show you certain little clips from the past several videos I've done and who won this knife at the end of this video. Stay tuned for New Mexico scenery and blacksmithing. And I also want to thank one of my very first customers, Susan Bacon, for ordering this chef's knife. And now time for the drawing. I wasn't sure how I was going to do it exactly, so what I did was I printed out a list of my subscribers' names, and then I put it in a box and mixed it up. And then I got my brother to hold the camera while I pulled a random name out of the box. So I want to congratulate Nano Elio. I probably butchered that name. If you are seeing this, please contact me through email or Facebook Messenger to claim your knife. All I need is your address and basically, well, yeah, just your address, I guess. Thank you all so much. Thank you again for 100 subscribers. I will see you in the next one.